Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Roblox error code 277 in a quick and simple way so you can stay connected to your games without sudden disconnections. This error usually happens due to unstable internet connection or server timeouts. First, check your internet and make sure it is stable. Restarting your router can help fix connection drops. Next, avoid using Wi-Fi if possible and switch to a wired connection for better stability. After that, close Roblox and reopen it to refresh your session. You should also clear Roblox temporary files by pressing Windows plus R, typing %temp%, and deleting unnecessary files. Another helpful step is to disable VPN or proxy services, as they can cause connection interruptions. Finally, check if Roblox servers are down, because sometimes the issue is not on your side. After following these steps, error code 277 should be resolved and your gameplay should run smoothly again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.